Do you want to create images using AI, but you are not sure how to do it? In this video, we will discuss three popular AI image generators: Playground, Leonardo, and Bing Image Creator, also known as Copilot Designer. Each of these tools has its unique characteristics and advantages that make it special. To provide a fair and objective comparison, we will use the same prompt, text description, to generate images in all three generators. This will allow us to clearly see the differences in quality, style, and interpretation between these AI tools. Playground. To create an image in Playground, click on Create button. On the right side, you can select the model for creating a photo or leave the default settings. You can also set the image dimensions and the number of images you want to generate, up to 4 in free version. On the left side, you can optionally choose a filter to apply to your photo. In the prompt section, provide a description of the image you want to generate. If you have an image you like and want to generate similar photos, use the image-to-image option. You can upload your image and set the image strength to determine how much a new image will resemble to the original. If you set image strength to 100, as you can see, Playground will warn you that you will get the same image. The lower the strength is, the less the new image will resemble to the image you used as a base. Free users can generate 50 images daily. After using all your tokens, you will need to wait 24 hours or upgrade to Pro version. This image generator has two main drawbacks. First, you can only log in using Google account. Second, free users can't hide their work. Private section is only for paid users. Leonardo. Unlike Playground, Leonardo allows you to create an account using any email address. After creating a free account, you will get 150 tokens, which will regenerate daily. Leonardo offers more options, including editing images in Canvas, increasing image size, and animating images. To create an image, click on Image Generation or Image Creation. In the new window, you can adjust settings like generator, photo style, size, dimensions, and number of images. The number of tokens deducted for generating an image depends on many factors, such as image size and quality. Higher quality images use more tokens. Bing Image Creator. This AI image generator requires a Microsoft account. You can use it within Microsoft Edge browser, the Bing mobile app, or go to bing.com/create in any browser. Bing Image Creator uses DALL-E 3 technology and gives you 15 credits daily, typically allowing you to make up to 60 photos. After spending all your credits, you can still create photos, but the process will be slower. You can edit created photos within Microsoft Designer by clicking the Customize button. However, Bing Image Creator doesn't have ability to create variation of a photo. To overcome a limitation of one tool, you can use these generators in combination. For example, If you want to make variation of image created in Bing, you can use Playground or Leonardo, which offer this feature. Thanks to everyone who took the time to watch this video. I hope you find it useful or at least informative.